Guys, I now have the ability to watch my Netflix and not get up because I have a TV tray. I know this is so 60s, but this TV tray is actually designed for guests to come over, and I wanted to show you guys kind of some first impressions about this TV tray that you otherwise might not be able to get just looking on this Amazon listing. Okay, so first of all, my first impressions are it's robust, it's sturdy. I grew up with some TV trays and they kind of folded up, but when they folded up, they're pretty chintzy. It basically rivaled the quality of the paper plates that I was using. These, on the other hand, they're sturdy. I almost think that this is like solid wood. I was expecting some sort of plasticky lightweight thing. So they're sturdy, they're heavy. This is how they fold up, which is kind of cool. So you see that, like that? So the TV trays that I grew up with had little clips here, and they'd actually unclip, and then you'd fold the whole thing over. This one has a clever little hinge here and here, meaning that it collapses like that. Isn't that cool? So you could almost do this one-handed as you had your plate of food and you're walking out and you're gonna be watching your Hulu. You can almost just kind of pop it down. Now, also you're probably wondering, Beau, this isn't the right product because what you're holding is a blue one when clearly the listing has this side, kind of this marble looking. Well, that's because this marble did not match our living room. So my wife, because she's so clever and beautiful, she got some spray paint. She put about 2 or 3 layers of spray paint on here. And I wanted to show you that, yes, spray paint sticks wonderfully on here. So if you're one of those people and you want the quality of a good TV tray, but you don't like the color of that marble, it doesn't quite match your motif, don't worry. You can go out and get a 97-cent can of spray paint at Walmart, and you can cover these and make them virtually any color you'd like. Isn't that beautifully done? That's really nice. So that's it, high quality, highly recommended, and hopefully this helps in determining whether or not these are right for you. Fantastic TV trays, and now you can be one of those people in Wall-E where they just kind of float around and you don't have to get up. You can continue to binge and partake of entertainment and also get chubby. My name's Beau.